Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for a 10 best e-commerce courses for free in Udemy. The first course is SP Page Builder Masterclass for Beginner. The fastest and easiest way to create a best in minute without coding with Joomla, used by 4 lakh plus people globally. This course demanding 2 hours and 27 minutes only duration. You will learn to this course create any type of website for their business and learn how to create a website with a Joomla without coding using SP Page Builder, Revolutionary, Dark and Drop Builder. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hello, Matthew Tamier from LearnJoomlaFast.com, where we teach you how to create professional websites without being a professional coder with Joomla. Listen, I have a brand new masterclass for SP Page Builder, this revolutionary extension that I've been using for so many years. Matter of fact, when I learned how to use Page Builder when it was first released, I never had to pay for anyone to create websites for me. So if you're serious about creating high quality professional websites that look great, that are responsive and easy to navigate, then you want to sign up for this course. And by the way, this course is going to be absolutely free. That is right, there's no fees to sign up for this course. You are going to learn step by step.
Okay, the next course is how to become a Shopify expert for free. Learn everything about Shopify for free. Take action and start your business today. This course only 1 hour and 22 minute demanding video, and 10,660 students enroll in this course. And you will learn to this course. You will be able to start your own Shopify store, install a theme, customize it, add product and process orders, and manage settings and any more. Let's check out the introduction video.
Welcome to the Shopify Beginners course provided by Webinopoly. Shopify powers ambitious entrepreneurs all over the world. With over 600,000 businesses and more than one to set up your very own e-commerce business. If you'd like to follow along, please visit Shopify's and more than 1 million active users. Shopify is definitely in hot demand. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to set up your very own e-commerce business. If you'd like to follow along, please visit shopify.com and let's get started. Okay, so go ahead and enter an email.
The next course is Shopify Dropshipping and Private Label Product the easy way. Learn dropshipping and a private label business model from Ron Expert. Learn to use Oberlo and AliExpress for Shopify. This course is a big course for 4 hours and 17 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course how to use Oberlo and AliExpress to set up a dropshipping business, and how to use a 5-step test to ensure private label products are going to sell well, and how to discover your perfect online business using e-commerce Ikigai. Let's check out the introduction video.
Focused on dropshipping and private label product strategies. So this training might be ideal for you if you want to get an online product business going, but you're not for your customers. Or maybe you've heard that dropshipping is a fantastic idea, but you want to figure out how to separate the facts from the internet hype. Or maybe you want to have your own private label product strategy, but you're not sure how to do the testing or sourcing in a professional way. Or maybe you've got a very small budget to start with and you're hoping that dropshipping or private label strategies will enable you to scale up as you go and really build a full-time income from internet marketing with very little startup capital. If any of those things sound like you, then I think this might be an ideal course. Let me mention a couple things about it so you can decide whether it's right for you. So when I started to put this course together with my business partner Kyle Hamer, him and I really thought that we needed to find the best possible co-instructors that we could. And so we found Ryan Reger and Jenny Hunt. Now they're the marketers behind the Private Label the Easy Way concept and the Private Label the Easy Way community. If you're not familiar with them, their training is fantastic, and we asked them to be the co-instructors for this course. So this training is done in a webinar format. We have 4 sessions that we go through where we really dive deep into the topics. And we're all on the training together the whole time, so we chime in on each other, we tell jokes, and we ask each other questions. We really try to make it a fun and enjoyable training session, so I hope you can appreciate that. It is not just a standalone slide deck.
Okay, the next course is how to make an e-commerce chatbot for your Shopify store. Go live in 1 hour, increase your sale, get 75% open rate, auto upselling and abandoned cart recovery, and increased sales. This course is only 1 hour and 15 minute duration, and you will let this course set up their own smart AI powered chatbot for their stores, and increase their stores revenue, and how to use Chatful and go beyond. These all courses are lifetime free courses, so guys, you can check anytime. I will give you all course link in description. Okay, let's check out the introduction video.
Hi guys, in this course you're going to learn how to make a chatbot for your online store. Over the past year, we've seen a lot of growth in the e-commerce space for retail chatbots. So the company that really got this started was 1-800-Flowers when they launched their bot for Messenger a couple of years ago. And since then, they've seen that about 70% of their orders have come from a totally new customer base that wasn't ordering flowers from them before. Sephora has also had a chatbot, and they've seen an 11% increase in the amount of appointments that people were setting for in-store makeup sessions. ASOS had an amazing experience with.
Okay, the next course is Build Profitable Shopify Dropshipping Business in 19 Days. Start your own online business from anywhere in the world and learn from Gerald Shaw, speak author and Shopify coach. This is the biggest course in the video, more than 10 hours and 22-minute demanding video. You will learn to this course build an e-commerce website to sell hot selling products, and hang out with a successful entrepreneur and expert how have generated 7-8 figures online, how to find a demand and hot selling product that your passionate audience love, and learn proven Facebook ad strategies, and how to sell print on demand product for your e-commerce business, etc, etc. So guys, we will go to check how many lectures are included in this course. Enroll now and start the course. So guys, this is the course. This course only 39 lectures are included in this course, 10 hours demanding video. Let's check the introduction video.
Hey there, this is Gerald here. Welcome to day number 1 of the Cashflow Ecom Mastermind, also known as the 90-day Shopify Ecom Challenge. And I'm really excited because for the next 90 days, I'll be sharing with you a lot of golden nuggets, a lot of proven strategies that help my students to make so much money online. And also at the same time, we will be having hangouts like Facebook live sessions with the experts in our industry. People are making 7 figures, 8 figures. We're going to be having, hangout sessions with Facebook ads experts, right? And we're going to be having hangout with successful students, right? They're going to share their journey with you. Hopefully by doing so, we can inspire you to get started to build your online business as well as to get results, right? So today I'm just going to go through the overview of the entire e-commerce game plan. If you're just getting started, if you're a beginner, don't worry, right? In fact, you should be excited because the step-by-step strategies that I'm going to teach you within the next 90 days has helped so many.
Okay, the next course is Shopware Template Training Basic English. Create your own Shopware themes. This course is only 3 hours and 30-minute demanding video. You will enter this course installing Shopware and creating your own Shopware template and using less in Shopware and using LESS in Shopware and using Smarty in Shopware and offering your own Shopware template as a plugin in the Shopware community store. Let's check out the introduction video.
Welcome to the Shopware Template Training Basic. I'm Nicholas, I'm core developer at Shopware, so I'm one of the guys who's building the software you will download in the end. First, what will you learn during this training? You will learn about Shopware itself, an overview, and then I will show you how to build a theme, how to build your theme, and then I will show you how to sell your theme in the community store. A few words on the individual topics. After installing Shopware, I will show you around a little bit, so the directory structure of Shopware, stuff like this, so you know where to create your theme. Then I will show you how to create your theme using technologies like Smarty and Less, and then of course how to sell it by packing it up in a plugin.
Okay, the next course is Joomla 3 The Basics. Learn everything you need to know to build your first website provided by Joomla. This course you will learn to build and maintain website using Joomla and understand why Joomla is a great platform to build a website, and learn 3 ways to get started with Joomla and the difference between the format front-end and the back-end for Joomla, and some core Joomla concepts and where to get ongoing help and resources. This goes only 3 hours on demanding video, and check out the introduction video.
Welcome to Joomla The Basics, the fastest and easiest way to learn how to build and manage websites powered by Joomla 3. This course has been online since 2008, and during that time it has been watched by tens of thousands of students worldwide. Whether you're new to website development or if you are an experienced developer migrating to Joomla, you're in the right place. Better still, the entire course of 16 lessons and a 100+ page workbook is free. Hi, I'm Richard Pearce, and I've been building websites since 1995. When I first came across Joomla, I hated it.
Okay, the next course is Learn Ultimate OpenCart Themes. Step-by-step video tutorial showing you how to use Ultimate OpenCart theme to build your online shop e-commerce. This goes only 1 hour and 11 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course build your online shop using the Ultimate OpenCart theme and create a multiple tab in the product module, and optimize image size and use a built-in icon to give more professional look, and the last one is add video background. Let's check out the introduction video.
This is Lawrence from buildmyecommerce.com. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the Automatum theme for OpenCart by The Alchemist. This is the theme, the Automatum theme, using the default skin, and eventually by...
Okay, the next course is Learn how to build a corporate website using Joomla 2.5. This course using Joomla 2.5, you should only use the course if you are maintaining a Joomla 2.5 website. This course only 1 hour and 27 minute demanding course, and you will learn to this course how to configuration and step a Joomla based website for a fictional company, and understand what Joomla is and how to can be used. Let's check out the introduction video.
Welcome to InAnHour.com. We're going to build ourselves a corporate website using a freely available content management system called Joomla. Now you might be wondering what a content management system is. Well, it allows you to create and manage websites with little to no coding experience required. The information itself is stored within a database, while the look and the feel of the website uses a template to display what your users see. It's a highly customizable system, and it allows your users to add and manage content quickly and easily. So whether you're a full-time web designer looking to build more robust websites for your clients, or you're just a beginner looking to build a corporate website for yourself, this is the perfect starting point. Now before we get started, I want to take a look at a couple of websites that use the Joomla content management system. You will notice...
Okay, the next course, this course is the last course in the video. Advanced e-commerce simplified, from newbie to expert fast. This course only 5 hours and 6 minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course how to do e-commerce and dropshipping using Shopify. Okay, let's check out the introduction video.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the program. So the goal of this program is to simplify e-commerce. Okay, and the truth with e-commerce is you don't need to pay $1,000, $2,000 to learn how to do e-commerce. I know that a lot of people are selling courses for like $2,000, $3,000.
I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.